In this Bluehost tutorial, I'm going to be doing a Bluehost review and answering the question, is Bluehost good for blogging? I'll also be providing you with a Bluehost discount so you can save some money on your Bluehost domain name and web hosting purchase. You'll get a Bluehost hosting discount plus a free domain name. To get the Bluehost discount, click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Let's get started with the Bluehost review, going over is Bluehost good for blogging? So is Bluehost good for blogging? Yes. Bluehost is a great web hosting provider if you want to start a blog. Bluehost offers web hosting services for everyone's needs. Bluehost offers its most popular shared hosting services, WordPress hosting, Woocommerce hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated server hosting. Bluehost offers a 30-day money-back guarantee along with 24/7 customer support via chat and phone, and is recommended by WordPress.org. If you're just starting out, the most popular type of web hosting to choose is shared hosting. Bluehost shared hosting comes with 4 different plans: the basic, Choice Plus, Online Store, and Pro plan. Each plan comes with a free domain name, free SSL certificate, free email accounts, managed WordPress, and a free CDN. If you're in need of one blog site, the basic plan is a great plan as it comes with 10 gigabytes of SSD storage and one website. If you're in need of more than one website or want some extra features provided by Bluehost, then another popular plan for bloggers is the Choice Plus plan. This plan comes with 40 gigabytes of SSD storage and 3 websites. The plan also comes with extra features such as free domain privacy for the first year, malware scanning, and daily website backups for the first year. The Pro plan is a good plan for high traffic sites and includes 100 gigabytes of SSD storage and 5 websites. This plan is good if you need more websites than the 1 or 3 offered by the basic or Choice Plus plan, or if you have a blogging site that already has high traffic and you are migrating your site over from another web hosting provider. If you are just starting out, the basic or Choice Plus plan are great plans to choose. You can always upgrade to the Pro plan as your site traffic grows and are in need of more resources for your blog site. Once you select the plan you'd like to go with, you'll be able to choose a free domain name for your blog. You can enter the domain name you'd like to have where it says create your new domain, and from the drop down, you can easily choose a domain extension to go with. If you aren't sure on a domain name for your blog just yet, Bluehost has you covered. If you click the I'll create my domain later link, you can choose your free domain name at a later time within Bluehost. Bluehost will give you a temporary domain to use so you can begin creating your blog. You can then switch from your temporary domain to the domain name for your blog when you have the domain name decided and added. Another reason Bluehost is good for blogging is Bluehost automatically installs WordPress for you so you can begin creating your blog quick and easy. It'll ask you a few questions about your blog site to make the setup process quick and easy. You can easily access your blog site within the Bluehost dashboard. Bluehost makes it easy to access settings within your Bluehost account, such as security, backups, plugins, users, and speed. You can even easily add the Cloudflare CDN for more site speed. From the Bluehost dashboard, you can easily access your domain, websites, and create email accounts for your site. If you are starting a blog, I highly recommend Bluehost as your web hosting provider, plus you'll get a free domain name for your blogging site. So is Bluehost good for blogging? Yes, Bluehost is a great web hosting provider for your blog site. That is my Bluehost tutorial going over is Bluehost good for blogging. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost tutorial videos.